We're Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeezetheday. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're leaving Columbia and we're headed to Athens today. We just checked out. We're going to be out of here in a minute.
Leaving South Carolina today, we are passing by the spot where we had the tragic accident where we lost our home. The video for that will be in the description. It happened just to the left of us, going in the opposite direction.
Last November, we started using an RV as our home to travel full time.
When tragedy struck in April, we decided to forge on in a new direction.
We found one opportunity with Graduate Hotel's Hall Pass, which enables us to travel from coast to coast.
We visit every active Graduate Hotel in the U.S. one at a time during the month of July for the price of $500.
Since we're YouTubers, we decided to vlog our journey and try something new at the same time.
One vlog per hotel per day all month. So join us this month as we explore Graduate Hotels.
Closet is open. Have the essentials as per the usual. Huge mirror on the side here. TV stand. Lots of shelf space. Little mini fridge there. Little work area here. Does that make sense to any of you? Not to me, that's for sure. Little sitting area off to the side here. We'll check out that window in just a moment. And here's the bed. Then a little sitting area over here as well to take your shoes off.
Let's take a look at the view.
Here is our view. We get to see the outside world right here. All your needs are met. Full shower. This is the pavilion area. Beautiful.
We are in Athens, Georgia, and absolutely loving it. We've added this to our list of places to come back to visit because the city is absolutely gorgeous and we're having a lot of fun here. We wish I had more time, but we got to make these videos for you. So we'll come back in some future time. We don't know when. Right now we're standing in the pavilion, which is, as you can see, massive. They also have a pool here, which is pretty impressive.
We'll show you that in just a moment.
Very old hotel. This is actually the very first of the Graduate Hotels.
First, we're going to take you over to the gym. As you can see, everything's spread out at this hotel. It's not all self-contained in one building. You definitely will get your steps in. Plenty of towels in here, water as well. And there are electric car hookups right here next to the fitness center. Bikes for you to use. There's a bird's eye view of this ballroom and another small meeting area here. Oh, this place is cute. It's not open right now because of COVID. We sure wish this was open right now. Ice machine.
If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you can continue to follow along with us as we continue on this adventure.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.